In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Paramount Plus. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And if you have a secure connection, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. And if you have a secure network, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. So that you want to open your browser, and on the search bar you want to type Paramount Plus. Click on Paramount Plus and click on the website. Here, to sign in into your account, you can simply scroll down and type it out your email over here and click on Submit. And here on the website, you want to scroll down and type it out your email over here and click on Submit to log in into your account. By doing so, you'll be able to use the website. But if you're having any problems in the application, you can simply uninstall the app and install it again. However, if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.